Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a smoky eye tutorial. So let's begin. So the step one is that you have to stick tapes onto the outer side of your eye so that liner effect हो. And then step two is to use a bronzer as the base. Now I'm going to blend out my entire bronzer and मैं चाहती हूँ कि I get a smooth base जिसके ऊपर मैं work कर सकूँ. That is why I'm using bronzer and it is easily available as well. Now the next step is that I would be using my gel eyeliner. अगर आपके पास gel eyeliner नहीं है तो आप काजल पेंसिल भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. I'm using in my case the Lakme 95 gel eyeliner, and I'm going to stick it onto the lids of my eye, and once that is done I am going to use my finger in order to smudge the liner. Now initially I'm using my finger to smudge it up, and then I'm going to use a flat brush because I want the entire color to be spread on my lids. मैं नहीं चाहती कि एक साइड पे कलर हो एक साइड पे ना हो, so I just want it to be even. That is why I'm doing so. Now the next step is to use a dark brown eyeshadow because I want everything to look seamless. I want everything to be merged into each other, so that is why I'm going to use a dark brown eyeshadow onto the outer corner of my eye and blend it out. That's it. Yeah. Now my last step is that I'm again going to use my gel eyeliner, and then I'm going to create my eyeliner. Now doing an eyeliner actually makes your entire looks more intense, and yeah, then you go over with the mascara, and agar aapke paas falsies ya false eyelashes hai, then you can go with that as well, and tada, your look is done. So this was my smoky eye tutorial, and I hope you guys would have loved it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up guys, and please do share it, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.